Hey everyone, today we are diving into the world of API Copilot, a tool designed to make your API integration journey smoother. Whether you are a coding pro or just starting out, don't worry. We are breaking down the process step by step in plain English. Downloading API Copilot. Let's kick things off by downloading API Copilot onto your computer. Just head over to api-copilot.com. It's API Copilot's official website. Find the download link and click it. Once the download is finished, it's time to install API Copilot. Simply open the downloaded file and drag it on the application folder. It says replace because I have already installed it. Before we dive into using API Copilot, because we have already installed it, let's talk about Postman collection. This collection are like your notes for APIs. They help you understand what each API does. So where to find this collection? If you have already worked with APIs before, you might already have them. If not, you can create your own in Postman or find them in API documentation which you are working currently. In these tutorials, we are using dummy APIs. Click on three dot, click on export, select version, collection version 2.1 recommended, export. Save on download folder or wherever you want, select. Replace because I have already exported it before. With your collection ready, it's time to import it into API Copilot. Open API Copilot, make it bigger, go to import section and select the collection you just exported. Here comes the fun part. Click on the run button. In API Copilot, click on the run. Before we proceed, choose where you want the generated code to go in your Flutter project. Remember to skip the lib folder, keeping things tidy. Now as you can see in the lib folder, the folder is empty except .dart file because it is necessary file for me. If you are a fan of organized coding, API Copilot can help with state management too. If you are using tools like Provider or Getex, it can generate code that fits right in. In state management, we are going to select Provider and generate code. Let's wait a bit. Now build is successful. And there you have it. You are all set to enjoy the benefit of API Copilot. Say goodbye to manual work and hello to more efficient coding. And as you can see in lib folder, we have more 4 folders named model, provider, query, utils. You can use this folder according to your needs.